Let's have a look at question 2 then. You've got u over v here, quotient, so we use a quotient rule. I've summarised it here in abbreviated form. V du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. So the top part is u and the bottom part is v. So let's just proceed then and write down the answer straight away. V more than one term, put a bracket, times du dx 0 minus 2 minus u more than one term, put a bracket, times the v dx, this differentiates to 0 and this goes to 4, all over v squared. V is this, more than one term, put a bracket, squared. Tidy up now then, minus 2 minus 8x from the first bracket. And this minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. I'm going to run the minus through as well. Minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8x, so be careful with that minus, it runs through the whole thing. Over the 1 plus 4x squared. So that's equal to minus 6, the 8x's cancel, minus 6 over 1 plus 4x all squared. Next one then. Okay, so again u and v. Be careful with the more than one terms because we need to put a bracket when we do the multiplication. So it's v du dx v times du dx, this just differentiates to 6x, minus u, 3x squared minus 2, put a bracket, times the v dx, and this goes to 8x and 0. All over v squared, more than one term, put a bracket. So what have we got here? We got 6x times 4 is 24x cubed, plus 30x. The minus runs through the whole lot, 24 with a minus, x cubed, isn't it? And then minus 16 plus 16x. All over 4x squared plus 5 squared, which equals, these cancel, 30 and 16 is 46x over 4x squared plus 5 squared. Next one. So again, y dashed, do y dx or y dashed. V more than one term, put a bracket, times du dx is cos, minus u sin x, times v dx, this goes to nothing, cos goes to minus sine. So I'm going to write that as plus sine squared over v squared, which is 1 plus cosine x, more than one term, put a bracket, all squared. So this will turn out to be cos, and then we've got cos squared, but we've got a plus a sine squared. Cos squared plus sine squared is a trig identity equals 1, so straight away I'm just going to put that over the 1 plus cos x squared. So you can write that around the other way, so why don't we just write it around the other way? And we've got one of these underneath as well, haven't we? So we can divide by 1 plus cos x term, top and bottom. So it just leaves 1 over 1 plus cos x when we simplify the algebra. Next one. So we got the u and the v, so do y dx then. V, x minus 1 times du dx, minus u times dv, that goes to 1, that goes to 0, all over v squared. Expand the bracket, x e to the x, minus e to the x, minus another e to the x over x minus 1 bracket squared. There's an e to the x common on top, and then we've got minus 2 of them on the second term, haven't we?